Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your laptop on while your lid is closed in Windows 11 laptop. So if you want to keep your laptop on while the lid is closed, and this will help you to run the tasks in the background. So first of all, you just need to go to the search bar and search for control panel here. Search for control panel and then open this control panel option. And then if you have this view by in the category option, you just need to change it to small icons. And after changing it to the small icons, you need to open this power option here. Click on power option. Then in the left here, you can see there's an option called choose what closing the lid does. So just click on this. And you can see there's the option of when I close the lid, it will turn back to sleep option. So on battery sleep and working sleep. But I want the laptop to be running. So I just need to expand that option and choose do nothing. Also for the plugin, choose do nothing. And then you just have to click on save changes. And this will keep your laptop on while the lid is closed. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.